the water? See if there's mine some salt water in there?
298, barely visible.
Yeah.
301. Oh, shoot, the sunlight.
Safe to drink?
No.
No.
They remove some of the stuff in the water, 301, 1,000, but they remove some of the stuff when they treat the water, and most of them are the microbial, like all this coliform and all those things which will give you diarrhea and all that other stuff, but the other stuff, no. Even bottled water is not that safe. July 14th.
Are people allowed to walk in the bottle? Well, you shouldn't. But no, you're not really allowed to swim in the river, no. Because it's not.
See, if you see like lakes with algae, which is most of the lakes here, you see a lot thick green. Like I was at Icelandic Park, and there was it was total green. It was like paint, very thick green.
Wow.
And then, huh?
Lots of algae.
Yeah, a lot of algae, all the nutrients from all the fields and the golf course next to it go in there. So,
But then that water's cleaner then, isn't it? Because of the algae?
no, the algae, that's toxic algae. There's a certain temperature and all which starts giving you very toxic algae. And,
Okay.
so the man was next to me and he said, I came last week and there wasn't any of this green stuff. And now it's green, so they might have added something to it. He thinks they put some paint or something in there. Which is funny because long time ago, next to my high school in my own country, there was this huge lake. And it was always muddy like this or brown at the bottom because of these leaves. But it never was green, and suddenly it turned green, very thick green like the one I saw in Icelandic Park. So 747 pH units, 748. So at that time also they thought somebody put paint in it because it was so thick. It took a while for them to figure out it's all these nutrients from all these farm fields and all. 748.
So what is it, acidic?
It's normally very basic, like 8, 9.
Oh.
But because of the rain, it has gone down to 7.6. Yeah, so it got diluted because all the soil here is very alkaline. Yeah. Your daughter?
Yep. Yep.
Only one child?
I have 3.
3, okay.
Yep. My boys aren't with us.
They're older than her or younger than her?
Older and younger.
Oh, okay.
Maybe don't put that on your face. Maybe don't touch it at all.
You all work in town?
sunburned just standing here.
You want to go check out that spot over there?
No. So then what's the best idea? To have water filter and just drink tap water that's filtered, or filter the bottled water, or oh my god.
Yeah, I mean, you have to encourage the cities and the counties and the state government to put more effort into it, because there are so many resources. Now these, when I was going to school like in the 90s, used to cost maybe $1,000, $1,500. Now I buy it for $170. So things have got cheaper, just people have got stupider, you know, all they play with is their smartphones. And now they can easily hire people to, you know, look where everything is coming from.
People are greedy, you know, people are greedy.
And very lazy also. They want everything to come like Donald Trump will promise them, and or Hillary or somebody promise, you know, good economy or money for you. But you know, if you go look, declining life expectancy. Economy is doing well, they say, but everybody's life expectancy is going down. So what's the point?
Yeah, what's the point?
191.
Yeah, why be rich if you're dead?
Right.
And your quality of life, I mean, if you're just sick all the time while you have money and you're just sick all that money, and you know, all you have to put is, you know, DOJ, which is Department of Justice, and put a big pharmaceutical company like Johnson & Johnson or Pfizer, and just put billion. They'll tell you how much each company pays in fines in billion.
Right.
And they want to make you sick, and then they want you to come and get treatment, and then they make a lot of money.
It's a cycle. It's a cycle of money.
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
Those are going to be frogs, Daddy. Or maybe they're just